Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cook and clean with me. Right now I am making the kids' beds and my own bed. I washed all the sheets and all our blankets and all that this morning, so I have that on my to-do list, and I'm also going to clean up the bathrooms and just do like a tidy of the top floor of my house. And I'm also, when my daughter gets home from school, I'm going to have them clean up the playroom because that's getting a little sketchy. And as I'm in here in their room, I'm finding all of these things that belong in the playroom that congregate upstairs. So we are going to get that started tonight for dinner. I am making grilled garlic chicken. It's delicious. And I'm going to make roasted potatoes. I am going to make roasted butternut squash and also either carrots or broccoli. I haven't decided. So that is what's on tap for dinner. So let's get started.
I fall asleep at night, holding my pillow like it's your body next to mine. I say it's fine, but that's a bad excuse. I dream of kissing you, I write it off for someone. Don't wanna face the truth that I keep making every bad excuse. This ain't even love yet, I can't help but love it. I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. My favorite song comes on, I hear you singing badly. No, you're not really there, so then I roll my windows down and cruise. I'm smelling your cologne, it kinda hasn't hit me, I'm actually alone. Say you're the one, my friends say I'm confused. This ain't even love yet, I can't help but love it. I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. I tell myself to sit, but I can't quit. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. Yeah, I'm obsessed with you. Yeah, I'm obsessed with you. I tell myself to stop, but I can't stop it. Oh no, I can't control myself the way I want it. No, it can't be good, cause it feels so good. I know it's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, cause it feels too good. I know it's wrong.
All right, the kids' room is done. Look at this. Look at the difference. All the blankets are still in the wash, and her pillowcase ended up with the blankets, so we'll have that. My son's using his pillow right now, so everything is clean. Rug is nice and clean, and everything is organized. Look how much stuff they had in their room that belongs downstairs. This entire laundry basket. So now it's my job to go clean up the playroom and put all this away before they actually even clean the playroom. So I have to leave here in about 25 minutes or so. So I'm going to clean up my bedroom, which is also messy, and make my bed and give a good dusting and vacuum in here. I'll get as far as I can, and then I'll finish the rest when I get back. All right, it's a few hours later. I have to leave in about 45 minutes to get my daughter to dance. So all the rooms are clean and vacuumed. I have to empty out the vacuum, but that big basket that was here, my kids are putting away downstairs to the best of their ability. So I am going to get dinner started. I'm not going to like cook anything now. I'm just gonna prep all of my veggies. I'm gonna cut up a butternut squash and potatoes and just wash everything. And then I have the chicken marinating in the fridge. This is what I use to marinate my chicken. It's my favorite. It's the McCormick garlic, herb, and wine marinade. It's so good. You just mix a fourth of a cup of olive oil, a fourth of a cup of water, and then a little white vinegar, and then the packet. It's so good. It's like my favorite thing ever. So I'm gonna grill that all up once I get home, but I just wanna have everything kind of ready to go. So I'm gonna have everything washed and laid out on my sheet pan to roast the veggies when I get back. So let's get started doing that now.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand. Lost in my head, pull me back to bed. Oh, oh, when I feel like I got nothing left, I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. I got you. I might fuck up, make a mess. Get so drunk I don't make sense. You're right there, cool me down. Oh, every time I need to vent. Yeah, lost in my head, pull me back to bed. Oh, oh, when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. I got you. I got you all to myself. I don't need anyone else. I got you all to myself. When I feel like I got nothing left, I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. I got you.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Ta-ta, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze fueled teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks I won and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early. so no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Ta-ta, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Early. Let's get girly. Early.
All right, and that is dinner. It looks and smells so good. I'm so excited. So we are gonna go eat dinner and I am going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me with this cook and clean with me. And if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also make sure you are subscribed. It really helps out my channel when you engage and give thumbs up and leave a comment and hit that red subscribe button. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.